They fighting and shooting and killing and stabbing and cussing out employees, fighting employees fighting over a damn chicken sandwich. We know these people ignorant. Okay, so first off, I have to have a little disclaimer here. I typically don't make videos like this. I don't know if I'll ever make another video like this, but this is actually a subject matter that I don't think anyone can ignore. On social media, headline news, national news, hell, probably international news. And that's that Popeye's chicken sandwich. This is about the craziest I've ever seen people act. And I've been around for 34 years, man. Yeah, I'm 34. And you have to laugh, because if you don't laugh, you realize how sad this is, how sad people are. For you to go crazy over a chicken sandwich, it's a chicken sandwich. For people to go crazy over this chicken sandwich, it blows my mind, for one. Now, I can admit that I kind of fell into the hype the first go around. I attempted to go get this chicken sandwich, and I kid you not, hand on a Bible, I ain't lying to you. I left. I didn't even wait in that line 2 minutes. I saw the line was out the door and I said, this chicken sandwich ain't for me. And I've never been back since. Now I know they just came out and they brought the chicken sandwich back. And obviously that's why I'm talking about it, because some things have happened. Now beforehand things had happened, and it's honestly just sad. You know, people are dying over a chicken sandwich. I mean, again, you have to laugh to realize, or to not realize how sad this situation is. People are that crazy. People are that ignorant over a chicken sandwich. Now, let me tell you something. I've been to Popeye's chicken about a handful of times. I'll say about 4 or 5 times. They're good. They're good, don't get me wrong. I've never had this chicken sandwich, but they make some decent chicken. Probably the best in California when it comes to fast food. Now, me personally, if I had my choice, I like Bojangles. Ain't nobody doing better than Bojangles when it comes to those seasoned fries. Basically, that Supreme dinner. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about. If you live in the South, on the East, you know what Bojangles is. Best chicken tenders, best biscuits, best seasoned fries, and probably some of the best sweet tea you'll ever have. One of the best places I like to go around here is Chick-fil-A. Now, it is actually normal to wait 30 to 40 minutes, period, in line, outside, or in. But it's always a pleasant experience because, well, guess what? You know, they have some type of culture there. But anyway, the name is Chick-fil-A, right? Just like Popeyes, it's called Popeye's Chicken. All you serve is chicken, man. How you run out of chicken? That don't even make no sense to me. Oh, that's like Pizza Hut running out of pizza on the Super Bowl. That's about the dumbest damn thing I ever heard in my life. And I've had plenty of pizza on the Super Bowl. Now, my favorite food is pizza and wings. Give me a choice to eat something every single day for the rest of my life and not get fat. I guarantee you to be chicken wings and pizza. I like my mild and hot chicken wings. I love that. I'm not a chicken sandwich guy, but I like chicken like everybody else. But anyways, again, how you running out of chicken? That's all you serve is chicken. You knew after a few days that this chicken sandwich was popular. It makes no sense. And I'm saying this because you have to start, listen, these people are ignorant. We know that. They fighting and shooting and killing and stabbing and cussing out employees, fighting employees fighting over a damn chicken sandwich. We know these people ignorant. But when we blame them, you gotta kind of blame Popeye's chicken too. Because you can't blame them from the chicken sandwich. Okay, the chicken sandwich might be good, I don't know. But you have to blame how they're going about this whole situation. Because one, they created this mass hysteria Because, and I'm not saying that, but basically, no, social media created this crazy notion that this not Chick-fil-A, that this Popeye's chicken sandwich is something you gotta have. But it's Popeye's chicken responsibility to make sure you have some safeguards in place. And I honestly think this is a whole marketing stunt. Because the one way you get somebody to buy something that's really good, there's one good way. It's tell them that it's a limited supply. In a roundabout way, they're telling you, with them selling out at a lot of places, that it's a limited supply. So you're creating this chaos in people. You're creating this, I need this chicken sandwich. It's so damn good they can't keep it in the damn store. When it don't even have to be like that. Chick-fil-A is one of the best places you can go get a chicken sandwich. And not one damn time have I ever been to a Chick-fil-A and they say, hey, yeah, so we ran out of Chick-fil-A sandwiches. Do you know how dumb that would sound? To run out of a chicken sandwich? That's all you serve is chicken. It's stupid. So yeah, why are we sitting here blaming all these ignorant people that don't speak for everybody in that community, in the black community? In any community, in any race of people, there's crazy people, period. We all know that. And the ignorance, sometimes it appears that they speak for everybody. Not everyone is like that. You know, I'm not killing nobody over a chicken. You cut me in line, I'm gonna say something, but I'm not fighting you over no chicken sandwich, period. But the whole point of this video is you really have to start looking at Popeye's chicken and see what they're doing. You know, what are you doing to make this situation easier? There's so many things you could do. One, how about you put a limit on how many one person can get? And it shouldn't be a limit of 3 or 4 or 5. How about you limit it to 1, being that this is a popular chicken sandwich? I don't know if they're doing that now. They could potentially be doing that. But one quick way to run out of chicken sandwiches is to give 100 people 5 of them. Each person, yeah, you're not gonna have enough. Hell, you give 20 people 5 chicken sandwiches each, I'm pretty sure you're not gonna be able to serve 100 or 200 people waiting in line or that's coming in throughout the day. It's not gonna happen. You know, common sense would tell you need to limit this to 1 per customer. You know, at some point, Popeye's chicken, you gotta get all your franchisees together. And I don't know if it's a franchise, you know, they sell these franchises to different people. I don't know much about Popeye's chicken, but at some point in time, you gotta get all your franchisees together and say, listen, if you want us to send you this chicken sandwich, you need to put safeguards in place. Rule number 1 per customer. Let's make sure we're not wasting people's time, because time is valuable to everybody, most people anyway, unless you ain't got nothing going on in your life. But we want to make, if you wait 45 minutes in line or 2 hours in line, at least you should be able to get a chicken sandwich. Period. Period, point blank. That's the easiest thing in the world, because all you do is serve chicken. So again, I laugh at this situation because you have to. Because it's so crazy and so sad that people are fighting over a chicken sandwich. If you don't laugh, you would think you were going crazy, even though you're not the one doing this crazy stuff. Because it's like people think this is normal. And yes, you have the same people saying, yeah, okay, this is crazy. But some people think this is normal to act that way. And then, of course, you got Popeye sitting in the background laughing and counting money because you crazy people are going and buying this chicken sandwich. I seriously don't understand. I don't understand. Now, you're going to have some crazy people trying to sue Popeyes. I guarantee it's going to happen. And, you know, whatever. I don't believe that you should be able to sue a place for ignorant people doing ignorant stuff. But sometimes a company has it coming. And I feel like Popeyes is going to have it coming. Because you could do a lot, Popeyes, to make this stuff go away. You could do a lot to limit how many one person can get. There's so much you can do. You knew this is a popular sandwich. I don't understand. People are shooting, stabbing, fighting, cutting in line, disrespecting, cussing out employees. You don't think you got a problem? Like, a statement is not enough at this point. Seriously. And then I heard one YouTuber saying that this is a government conspiracy. No. What this is just crazy people, man. If you crazy, it don't take much to tick you off. A crazy person walks into a place like that in a predominantly black neighborhood and think they're gonna cut in line. First of all, how in the hell do you think you're gonna get service like that? I don't know any employee that would do that. I mean, they might, but it would be very hard for you to say, give me a damn chicken sandwich after you done cut in front of about 40 people. Yeah, I don't know if that'll happen. So, I don't know. You gotta laugh. That's all I can say. You have to laugh. Just not even think about how sad this is.
Wake me when it's over, and don't wait, just let me know. And when I have grown older, maybe I can let it go. I am looking